Hello and welcome to Skinfiniti. I'm Dr.Jaishree Sharad, your skin expert. A lot of times when I walk into a mall these days, I see that in these corners you have this fish spa therapy going on. It's very tempting. But do you know what fish therapy is all about? I'll tell you. So what's fish therapy all about? There are these Garra Rufa fish which are available in northern and central part of Middle East, typically Turkey, Iran and Iraq, and they're made to grow in these tanks, and you actually put your feet into these tanks and there's just warm water, soothing water, and the fish come, and there are dozens of them which come, and you must have seen them actually, and they will nibble away all your dead skin, and they act as natural scavengers and cleansers for the skin. Now, you must remember that when they're nibbling away, they're actually causing a little rupture of your skin barrier. So therefore, there is easy access of bacteria and fungus into the skin, as a result of which there are chances that you may have bacterial infections, boils and cellulitis, which is like swelling of the limbs, and pain and burning and itching sensation that occurs. Sometimes, if the person who has a virus on the skin, like a human papilloma virus or a wart, has had this therapy done, and the fish have actually nibbled onto that virus, the viral bodies contaminate the entire pool, as a result of which everybody who gets into that pond of water will have a very high chance of getting the viral infection. Then there are more serious conditions like HIV and Hepatitis C and these kind of infections which can also be spread, and therefore in some parts of United States the fish therapy has actually been banned. If you really want to do it, then you must go to a hygienic place. You must see that you do not shave or do any kind of hair removal or waxing or threading or anything for about 24 hours before doing this, because you should not have any breach in your skin. No cuts and no breaches, so that there is no entry of infection into the skin. Sometimes your feet get very soggy because they are soaked in water for long, and therefore you can develop fungal infections and eczemas as well, and sometimes you also end up with very itchy rashes. So you must be careful when you're going for all this. It is actually better to use an exfoliator at home and scrub yourself if you want to, and you can do homemade remedies, oatmeal scrubs, etc. But I would not really advise you to go in for fish therapies. So the next time you get tempted and you want to go to a fish spa, go to some place which is really hygienic and think twice. Post your comments here. Feel free to tweet to me. My handle is @Jaishree Sharad, and please subscribe to Skinfiniti. Take care.